Hey there guys, my name is Rob. Thank you for tuning into the Rob's of Knowledge YouTube channel, and today we have an iPhone tutorial for you. Now this tutorial is aimed more at new iPhone users, as current iPhone users probably already know how to do this, but we're going to be showing you guys how to power down your iPhone. Now there are a number of reasons you may want to do this, such as resetting your phone, but in most cases you're wanting to shut it down to conserve some battery life that you may need later. So the first thing you're going to need to do is locate your power button, and on most newer iPhones it's going to be on the right hand side when you're looking at the screen, but if you have an older iPhone it may be on the top right around here. So as you can see, here is the power button right here. This is a case, but you can see the power button clearly right there. What you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and press and hold that until you get a prompt on the screen. 1, 2, 3. It takes about 3 seconds, and then here, as you can see, it is telling you to slide to power off. So all you want to do is press down on that, hold it, and slide it all the way across, and then it will load for a second, and then you are powered down. That's about it for today, guys. Hope you guys learned something today. Now you know how to shut off your iPhone. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.